Without further ado, allow me to invite the Chief Executive Officer of CIDB Malaysia, Yang Berbahagia, Datuk Insinyur Ahmad Asri bin Abdul Hamid, to deliver his keynote address. Yang Berbahagia, Datuk.
Thank you, the Master of Ceremony. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yang berhormat Datuk Sri Abdul Rahman bin Muhammad, Deputy Minister of Works Malaysia. Yang berbahagia Datuk Sri Haji Hasnul Zamzam bin Haji Ahmad, Secretary General Ministry of Works. Yang berusaha Surveyor Muhammad Zaid Zakaria, Deputy Chief Executive 1 CIDB Malaysia. Yang berusaha Technologist Rafizlan Ahmad, Chief Executive Officer of CIDB E-Construct Services, Sdn Bhd, the organizer of KL BIM Day 2023. Yang berusaha Puan Aida Razi, Chief Executive Officer Oppo Go Sdn Bhd, co-organizer of KL BIM Day 2023. Yang berusaha Mr. Lee Anwei, Managing Director MCC Overseas Sdn Bhd, our distinguished partner. Ministry Senior Officers, Head of Agencies, CIDB Top Management, local authorities, associations, contractors, developers, academia, sponsors, strategic partners, members of media, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, very good morning, and salam Malaysia Madani. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Honorable Deputy Minister of Works, Yang Berhormat Datuk Sri Abdul Rahman bin Haji Muhammad, for taking time out from his busy schedule to be with us today to officiate KL BIM Day 2023. Your presence, Datuk Sri, which reflect your support as well as the support of the Honorable Minister of Works, the Secretary General Minister of Works, the Ministry of Works, means a lot to us and provide us the motivation and impetus to continue implementing initiatives for the benefit of the construction industry players as well as the nation. I would like to also welcome all of you, the attendees of this official ceremony today, and I was very excited to learn that there are over 670 people attending this event today. Your support is very much welcome and is very valuable to us. I would also like to thank all sponsors, strategic partners, speakers, participants, and visitors at our KL BIM Day, as our event will not be a success without your support and contribution. And the main support for our event today is the one distinguished sponsor, that is MCC Overseas Sdn Bhd, and we have one title sponsor, which is Autodesk, and we have 6 gold sponsors: VR Collab, Bina Initiatives Sdn Bhd, Perunding IRZI Sdn Bhd, ECOM, Gloden, CSES or China State Construction Engineering Sdn Bhd, as well as 31 companies involving 57 booths that are our exhibitors, 31 speakers, 6 of which are from international, and we have 17 strategic partners, and the strong one are CIOB, MBAM, PKMM, and PKBM. Also about 650 conference participants, as well as exhibition visitors. I would like to thank all of you that I mentioned just now for your support to our event. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very excited, very delighted to again host this KL BIM Day. Actually, we started hosting KL BIM Day since 2014. It became our annual event with a single objective of promoting and emphasizing the need for our construction industry players to adopt BIM for the benefit not only for the company but also for the Malaysian construction industry. So we have been doing this every year from 2014 and until 2019. But we have to stop for 3 years because of the COVID-19 pandemic. But this year, we have it in a very much bigger way and very significant way. And I do hope that you all will benefit from KL BIM Day this year. Ladies and gentlemen, as all of us are fully aware, Building information modeling is a revolutionary technology that is transforming the construction industry across the globe at a very rapid pace. BIM offers a collaborative approach to construction that enables architects, engineers, and contractors to work together seamlessly on a single digital platform to create and manage digital models of buildings and infrastructure. The technology offers numerous benefits over traditional construction methods, such as improved communication, reduced risk of errors, enhanced project efficiency and accuracy, as well as reduced costs and increased sustainability. With BIM, project stakeholders can easily collaborate and exchange information in real time, making it easier to identify and solve potential problems before they occur. This helps to reduce project delays, enhance project quality, and ultimately save time and money. BIM also enables teams to visualize and simulate the construction process even before the first barrel of concrete is poured. Our theme this year is BIM and Beyond. It signifies the future of BIM and its potential to transform the construction industry beyond its current capability. It implies that BIM is not just a tool or process, but an evolving technology that can push the boundaries of the industry and enable new possibilities. BIM and Beyond includes other emerging technology such as automation, artificial intelligence, AI, augmented reality, and sustainability. As you may be aware, BIM and IBS has been identified as the drivers of our construction industry transformation in the year when we implement CIDB, we call it in 2016, right up to 2020. After 2020, we decided that BIM and IBS remain relevant, but there are other emerging technologies that can be used to complement BIM and IBS to make the construction industry more competitive, more productive, safer, as well as more sustainable. You see, the potential of BIM is a lot. For example, BIM plus IBS. BIM plus IBS will lead you to digital construction, as adopted by big companies like Gamuda and IJM, where they have factories where they do design in BIM, and after that, they produce components in the factory based on the inputs from BIM. So it becomes digital construction. BIM plus robots would become robotic construction. In this respect, I would like to highlight the fact that BIM provides the input for robots to make sure to enable the robots to be fully automated. We are lucky here you are lucky for this time around in KL BIM Day. We have MCC Overseas Neighborhood, which bring robotic technology to demonstrate at their booth. I do hope that you all visit the booth afterwards, because this is indeed a game changer to our construction industry. I had visited the robotic factory last week, and I was told that China have identified 7 projects to be implemented on a pilot basis to test 7 technologies, one of which is robotic. And MCC, together with their partner, have been given a project to build a 30-overstory buildings and which I visited, and they use robots fully. And now the project is about 60 to 70% complete. And if you see the way the robots were used, it was very impressive. And the input to all these robots is BIM. So for example, just to give a simple, the demonstration that they have here is for tiling machine using robots to lay tiles. And you will see how accurate it is, how consistent it is, and how fast it is. But there are a lot of other robots. They are in the process of developing 50 over robots, and 28 of which are actually now operating in that projects that they are developing. And for example, you see it's fully automated. The robot, there's one robot that carry these massive IBS components, and it goes to the hoist. It communicate with the hoist. It go into the hoist, go to the right floor, go to the place where you want to install the IBS components and put it there. And there will be another robot that pick up and lay that components. There are a lot of other robots as well doing tiling, plastering, as well as painting and others. So you see there are a lot of potential as far as BIM is concerned. The next one, if BIM plus other application, plus other software enable you to develop, to have a system for project documentation, coordination and coordination. You can also have a project management software using BIM as well as for asset and facility management. The way I look at BIM is a platform that integrates other technologies to enable you to use technologies to the maximum. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, there are a lot of potentials in BIM. Please make sure that your companies adopt BIM faster, because at the end of the day, that will be the technology of the future, and the future is not very far away. Ladies and gentlemen, during the KL BIM Day, we have a 2-day conference where renowned speakers in the field will share their experience and expertise in specific BIM topics on the implementation of BIM and beyond in their respective projects. KL BIM Day is poised to be the key event where you can enhance your knowledge and skills in BIM technology and help you to stay up to date with the latest industry and technology trends. The KL BIM Day also comes with a 3-day exhibition where you can view and experience the latest cutting-edge technology in BIM and beyond. Through the BIM exhibition, industry players can get a first-hand look at the latest BIM software and technology available in the market. It is my hope that all of you conference attendees will spare some time to visit the exhibition booth. I spent about 1.5 hours yesterday at the booth, and I feel it's not enough, but I do learn a lot. And I can assure you that if you were to visit the booth, it will enlighten you, it will change the way you think, and you will look at the construction industry of the future. You also have the opportunity to meet industry experts and interact with those who are experienced in implementing BIM technology in their organization. In terms of networking, the KL BIM Day also provides a great opportunity for you to meet and network with other industry professionals in the field. You can share your experiences, learn from others, and create new business relationships. In essence, we envision the KL BIM Day as the go-to event for all industry players and stakeholders to gain a better understanding of the benefits of BIM technology, learn from industry experts, and make valuable connections that can help advance career or businesses. Ladies and gentlemen, CIDB as the custodian of the construction industry have carried out various initiatives to enhance BIM adoption. In 2017, we have established the My BIM Center as a resource center to promote and increase the adoption of BIM in construction. The center enables construction industry players to model and visualize building projects in a simulated environment by using BIM. CIDB have since established many MyBIM satellite centers all over the country to provide BIM training to industry players. In total, CIDB has trained 4,500 construction professionals and personnel in using BIM. To expedite BIM adoption in private projects and enhance the ease of doing business in construction, CIDB have embarked on a very impactful project called the National BIM e-Submission, in short, NBES. NBES is believed to be the first in the world outer checker system for the review and approval of building plans. So in short, if the submission were made to the local authorities using BIM, then NBES is able to check to make sure compliance to the uniform building bylaw. It will actually detect the areas where building bylaws are not complied with. So it is a very fast way of checking the submission or building plan submission to the local authorities. And CIDB have conducted proof of concept of pilot projects with 7 local authorities, namely Perbadanan Putrajaya, Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Sejarah, Majlis Perbandaran Kangar, Majlis Bandara Petaling Jaya, Dewan Bandaraya Kuching Utara, Majlis Perbandaran Kuala Kangsar, and the latest one, it will be Majlis Perbandaran Kulim. The YDP is here today, Dr. Nazman. NBES has been developed with the capability to automatically check the building plan compliance to the building bylaws and the Street Drainage and Building Act 1974. This capability has enabled the process of reviewing building plans to be reduced significantly from 21 days to 1 or 2 days. And you may ask why KULIM? So we bring Dr. Nazman here today because KULIM is known to be very fast and very efficient in terms of approval of development plan. So I was told KULIM being a small district, I'm from Baling, my district Baling is only neighboring to KULIM. And KULIM and Baling used to be at par, almost the same level of development. But KULIM has now advanced very fast. I was made to understand that the investment in KULIM alone in 2021 is 57 billion. And in 2022 is 10 billion and 12 billion. And one of the reasons is because of the fact that the approval process there is very fast. And now we are working together with Dr. Nazman or the Majlis Bandara KULIM to use BIM for the building plan submission to further increase and expedite the approval process of building plans. So, and we are also very pleased to have Dr. Nazman to be one of the panel this afternoon for our session. So thank you, Dr. Nazman, for coming. Thank you for your support, and I do hope that our collaboration will be a success in KULIM. CIDB is working, currently collaborating with local council to provide training and consultation. We do hope that from the pilot project in KULIM, we're able to expand to other public local authorities as well. While the local council may have to make some investment in order to offer best services, we envision that the return of investment can be realized in a few short years as the system will attract more and more projects. By cutting, the other day I asked Dr. Nazman, why is so good that you expedite the approval process? He said, I need money, because he can collect cukai pintu. So that's why that provides the impetus for him to approve fast. So I hope other local authorities will adopt the same thinking as Dr. Nazman. So by cutting down approval processes, the local council can attract more foreign direct investment into their district. In this regard, I see Majlis Perbandaran KULIM as a success story as they are able to attract very significant amount of investment as I had mentioned earlier. Today, we are all very proud to witness the official launch of NBES. I know the NBES team had worked tirelessly to develop the system and engage with local councils in training their staff on how to use NBES. I encourage all local councils to consider the benefits of NBES and book an appointment or a briefing session with NBES team in CIDB and its subsidiary CIDB Construct Sdn Bhd to find out how they can start and how our team can support you. I hope the official launch of NBES and the KL BIM Day today will mark another significant milestone in the adoption of BIM technology in Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, as I draw nearer to the conclusion of my speech, I would like to pay tribute to the organizer, CIDB Construct Sdn Bhd Services Sdn Bhd, and its co-organizer, Pyogo Entertainment Sdn Bhd, for effortlessly realizing this event, and to the many organizations and individuals who have supported us in our journey. My heartfelt thanks also goes to our supporters of this event, namely the sponsors, exhibitors, speakers, strategic partners, conference participants, and exhibition visitors. We truly appreciate your support to this event. Lastly, and certainly not least, my utmost gratitude goes to the Yang Berhormat Datuk Sri Abdul Rahman bin Haji Muhammad for gracing the event today. To all present, let us move towards a more productive and sustainable future through BIM and beyond. Thank you.